Let's make the ultimate Christmas burger. Let's face it, we all need a break from the turkey and ham at Christmas, and you can't beat a burger. Okay, there's the ingredients list in the comments. Dijon mustard and mayonnaise mixed and set aside. Parma ham into a hot pan. Crisp that up. Next thing, butcher's burgers. You can make your own, but who has the time at Christmas? Let's face it. Mushrooms into the pan. Take your ciabatta out from under the grill after it's toasted. Top with iceberg lettuce, burgers, parma ham, tomato, lettuce, and Stilton. You're looking for that Christmassy tang. Blue cheese would do too. Caramelised onion out of a jar. Again, no one has time at Christmas. Chop that in half. Serve it up. This is going to jingle all your bells. I can follow for more. And happy Christmas.